guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to set up your own event cart. As you see, we have a watermelon themed party, so of course I had to set up my event cart to match the theme. Our setup is for a small gathering, but if you're having a bigger party, don't you worry, you can absolutely transfer this idea onto bigger tables. Now let me teach you how to set up an event cart. First, we're going to put a tablecloth on and smooth it out. Next, I'm going to add my favorite fashion trend right now, which is bows. But if you aren't a fan of the bows, you can add hanging tassels in this area. Our next step is to add some table confetti. We chose a different color from the tablecloth because the tablecloth will be matching our plates, and we needed some color to break up the two matching pinks. After plates, we're going to set napkins down. And you're going to see I kept the bow trend going by wrapping bows around our glasses. Then I added some green straws just to keep our color scheme going. Next, let's add some silverware and the drinks for the event. To make our theme scream watermelon more, we're just going to tape on some paper cutouts of watermelon. Now on to the second row, we're going to display some more glasses and set down napkins for them. Of course, I added the bows onto these glasses as well. To add another touch of watermelon, I made this centerpiece that says "one in a melon." And lastly, I'm going to add these green balloons to tie it all together. I hope you found these tips and tricks useful and are able to use them for your next event. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below a watermelon emoji if you made it all the way through the video. Bye!